take a look at what is in our planner kit featuring the March Willows collection. And our planner kits come in these great storage folders. These are nice and sturdy. They work great for storing your product, especially if you have a booklet or an insert. Sometimes you don't want to throw those away after the month is done. This is a great way to store them and keep them all together. You put a little label on there. We do offer these for a separate sale in the store as well. All right, let's take a look at what is in this adorable kit. So the first thing you get, this dark green, and it's going to look a little black, I think, probably on camera, but it's a very dark green. I actually took and wrote a little bit on here just so that you could see what that ink color looks like. And it's a really nice, like I said, it's a very dark green. I like that a lot. So that is a Zebra Sarasa clip pen. You get one of those. You get a roll of washi tape, and it is the adorable little pond scene with the froggies. You get a roll of that. You get a sticky notepad, and it has our cute little froggy guy on there by the pond. You get a fun stamp set. I love this. This was actually the sticky notepad for November, and I loved it so much I wanted it in stamp form. So you can stamp this, you can stamp it and cut it out and use it, which is what I did for one of my projects. You could just stamp this right on the page. Really, really cute. So you have that nice acrylic stamp. And then let's take a look at our die cuts. One thing I should mention about the stamps as well is those are made here in the US, which is really nice. Okay. I love this artwork. Well, you guys know I love Line's artwork anyway, but this is so cute. There's a little sandwich, the little reeds or the grasses. So you could do the whole picnic thing. There's a great little heron and the willow tree. And I like how some of these are a little bit bigger as well. So you get a great variety. It's got a little extra piece of paper on it. A cute little dragonfly. You can make a whole little lily pad scene, cute little knapsack, and our adorable little frog. He is our absolute favorite. You will see him in a number of places because I think he is just too stinking cute. And then you get 6 of the tabs. And remember, all of these are adhesive backed, so we make it super easy for you. You don't have to carry around the glue. It's just, it has a backing. They're adhesive backed, super easy to use. So you get those. There is a clear calendar card. And this does have a film on it. It just has a protective film on it that you just have to peel off. So remember to do that. And one of our great little half circle magnets. These are so nice and strong. So it's a great little page marker. You can use these as a bookmark. They will hold on a page. They will hold 1 or 2 items. I mean, you can hear it click. It's got some strength to it. Like it's got some grip. So you get one of those. You get your pen and ink test card. So it has the cute little artwork and quote on the front. And then on the back, you could test your ink colors, test some stamp ink colors. If you have fountain pens, it's a great tool for that as well. And then you just kind of have that reference. If you like to match your inks and so on, which is always nice to do. And then we have 2 adhesive pockets. And as I said, they are adhesive backed. These are so great to put on a page, one of the dashboards maybe, on a piece of the pattern paper. And you have a great little pocket to hold sticky notes, to hold die cuts, to hold even just your little, just the little pen and ink note card. You can hold some of the smaller sticker sheets will work in the larger adhesive pocket. So you get both of those. Get a sheet of our beautiful, super thin, nice pet stickers. Love these. Look at the little tadpole. He's so cute. And these are great. There, some people were mentioning that they're having a hard time once you figure out what is the front and the back. And usually you can tell just by the images. And then what I have found is if you just fold it, they come right off. It's super easy. If you just find a large edge and fold it and roll, they come right off. So you shouldn't have to use a tweezers. You shouldn't have to sit and pick at it. They should come off very, very easily. So you get that sheet. I'm going to lay it here on the white so you can see it. You get more stickers because we love stickers. You get 3 sheets of stickers. You get one that is just all decorative. Super cute. You get one sheet that has the alpha and the dates and some of the labels or boxes. And then you get the sheet with the ring reinforcers. These right here you can use as headers. You can use these on their own. They are designed to fit in this space on the tab. So they do work together. You have dates, reminders, days of the week, the fun little icons. I love these little icons. And then of course the little March header there as well. And then did you know that the 25th is International Waffle Day? How fun is that? And then 3 sheets of gorgeous patterned paper. So you can see it's nice and thick. And I should mention all of our cards, all of our papers, all of our inserts, all of our notebooks are all made in the USA at a plant that uses recycled papers and inks. So we're super happy about that. Isn't that cute? I love these little scenes. I love that one. And this one, I should mention, has like some of the old-fashioned, the old original kind of imagery from The Wind in the Willows. Isn't that neat? So super fun to pair that with some of the other pieces of pattern paper as well. So that is everything that is in our planner kit. Now I should mention the planner kit you can subscribe to on its own, as you see here, or you can subscribe to the planner kit with one of our notebooks or inserts. We have that option as well. Let's take a look at the inserts and notebooks for our Willows collection. So we're going to start off. We have a number of inserts and notebooks, a little something for everybody. And I'm going to go through the sizes and then we'll take a look. So I've got A5, standard TN, and then I have our simple notebook. That is the same size as the standard, just a little bit of a different layout inside. A B6, our mini, and our weeks, which is real similar to the Hobonichi Weeks size, if you're looking for a comparison. Now, the interior of all of these is the same, except for the simple. All of these inserts are available for subscription on their own, or you can subscribe to any of these inserts with the planner kit. The simple you can also subscribe to with our scrapbooking kit. So you have that option. So let me just page through this one real quick and show you the difference with this compared to the others. The others are geared a little bit more toward planning. They have the calendar, they have the weeklies, and so on. And I'll show you one of those in just a minute. But the simple is set up almost more for journaling or art journaling. You could use this to create a mini album, which is what a lot of people will do. You'll use it for a month or for a particular theme or event. It works really, really well for that. I love to do layouts on these. but you can do lists. You can plan with these. You can take this one apart and add it with the standard one if you want to. So you have a lot of different options. So that is the simple. Now, the other ones, as I said, they're all the same on the inside. It's just things are going to be moved a little bit proportion to fit the size. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the interior of the A5 because it's nice and large and you can get a good look at the adorable artwork, which I think is just, it fits March so perfect. March is one of those weird months for us because March is, it's kind of in between winter and spring. In some areas, it's full-on spring. But we like to try and make it something that will work kind of a nice transition. So if we take a look at this one, there's a calendar on the front. As I mentioned, the other ones are the same. And then you have your weekly stripe pages. So you can plan or list or journal for the whole month with the week. And then you go into what I would say is kind of your daily pages. Now we have enough pages in each notebook that you could plan a page a day. So there are enough to do that. Obviously, the way that we have this set up with this area completely unstructured is you can set this up however you want. So it works perfect for any way that you plan or journal or list. But there's a little bit of artwork on each. You have this great grid that you can use. And I think it's just absolutely adorable. I love Line's art. She does such a fabulous job for us. And then our designers go through and take all of those pieces and create all of these beautiful things. How cute would that be to like track restaurants or diners or dinners or recipes? It's so cute. And of course, the little frogs and tadpoles are my absolute favorite this month. This one is especially cute. The cute little tadpoles. Love those. Never perfect, but always awesome. And then you have the back. And one of the underlying themes throughout this entire collection is the notion of friendship in that, which I think is really, really cute. So that is a look at what the notebooks are like. The one little caveat I will mention is the mini does not have a calendar on the front simply because, well, it's a mini. So it would be really, really hard to put a calendar on there. So those are all the notebooks that we offer, bunches and bunches of sizes. And then we offer 3 insert options. We have our classic vertical insert, which comes unpunched. So you can punch that however you want if you use a disc bound system or a ring bound system. This will match up perfectly with our 12-month Daisy Planner. Just FYI, it's great to use in there. We have our A5. You can get that 6-hole or unpunched. And then we have the personal, which you can get unpunched or 6-hole as well. So let me show you what the classic vertical insert looks like. You get a heavy duty front page, and then you can use these 2 for notes. We have a beautiful calendar. And then you go to your vertical planning, and there is, of course, enough in here for the whole month. It's undated, so you can date that. So really, you can use these almost any time. The only thing that's going to be dated is the calendar in these. And then you have a nice notes page here. And then you have your weekly and your lists. This is my sample one. Normally there's a perforation here, which makes it super handy to fold over and to tear those lists out if you want to. Really, really nice and handy to have that. So you have your weekly planning, you have your lists, you have another area for planning or journaling, and then more lists. And again, there are enough of those for the entire month. And then we have our personal and our A5. These, again, are set up basically the same. The only difference is going to be your daily pages because, again, there's a restriction on space. So you just have basically more space, but the artwork is pretty much the same. So I'm going to page through and show you the A5. Again, it's nice and larger so you can get a clearer look at that. So you have the tab page, and then you have the little calendar there, which is nice on the inside of the tab. More of the beautiful artwork. Love these colors for early spring. And then your weekly stripe page. A lot of people will use that for tracking things, gratitude, meal planning. I use it to keep track of my photo a day. And then you go into your weekly spread. And what's nice about this is it's set up kind of in a horizontal format, but you could totally divide this up for each day however works for you. You have this section in between your weeklies. Great. I use this for menu planning. Just more space to be able to track more things. I love that. We give you so many options and a way for you to adapt it, whatever works best for you. We have a notes page, the calendar. How cute is that? And then the plan forward area where it has all of the months of the year, and then your daily pages. And your daily pages are set up to be a 2-page spread. So each day you have this wide open area that if you want to break it down per hour or anything like that, or just notes, you can do that here. And then we have these sections that have these headers so that you can break them down however you want. I will mention the stamp set that we have that works with these headers will be in stock very soon. So you have that. And then of course, there is enough dailies for the entire month. And that is a look at all of the beautiful inserts and notebooks that we offer.